In this video, we will be taking a look at installing an additional Platform Services Controller within a vCenter Server 6.0 environment on a Windows machine. This installation process is different from previous versions of vCenter Server. For more information about these changes and the installation process, see the vSphere 6.0 Installation and Setup Guide. In this example, we have already downloaded and mounted the latest version of the vCenter Server 6.0 installation media obtained from myVMware. If the auto run feature is enabled, you may simply double-click on the drive that contains the vCenter Server 6.0 installation media. However, if this feature is disabled, within the software installer directory, double-click autorun.exe to start the installer. Within the menu, select vCenter Server for Windows and click Install. Review the welcome page and follow the prompts to accept the license agreement. Next, select Platform Services Controller and click Next. Enter the system network name, preferably a fully qualified domain name or FQDN. If you are entering an IP address, verify that this is a static IP. At this point, it is important that the system name specified does not change, as this cannot be changed after deployment. If the system name does change, a reinstall of the Platform Services Controller is required. Click Next. Now select Join an existing vCenter single sign-on domain. Provide the system name and vCenter single sign-on administrator password of an existing Platform Services Controller within the vCenter Server 6.0 environment. Click Next. When prompted, click OK to accept the certificate from the existing Platform Services Controller. Unless this Platform Services Controller is being placed behind a third-party load balancer in an HA configuration, select Create New Site, provide the site name for vCenter Single Sign-On. The site name may contain alphanumeric characters, however non-ASCII or high ASCII characters are not supported. Click Next. For each component, accept the default port numbers. If another service is using the default ports, you may define alternative ports here. Click Next. If you would like to change the destination folders in which the Platform Services Controller is installed, you may change them here. However, if you do choose to install to a custom location, do not use folders with names that include an exclamation mark. In this example, we are installing to the default location, so we will just click Next to continue. Finally, review the summary of the installation settings and click Install. The installation process may take a few minutes to complete while services are installed, configured, and started. In this example, we have shortened this process. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the installer. This concludes our look at installing an additional Platform Services Controller within a vCenter Server 6.0 environment on a Windows machine. For further video tutorials, subscribe to our KBTV YouTube channel. Thank you for choosing VMware.